1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Howdy folks, thanks for checking out the lesson here for Sally Goodin. As you just saw and heard there, I created 3 arrangements for the tune. I had just originally 1 arrangement at the site, and so I've added a couple more arrangements. Since it's so short, I've added some variations within that arrangement as well, so you can see how you can get expressive with this melody and move it around your fretboard. I'm going to walk through everything step by step, note for note, measure for measure, and if you want to access the full-length lesson, all the arrangements, download the tabs and the multi-speed backing tracks, and access Sound Slice, click the link in the description below. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so let's put those measures on the screen here for the first arrangement. And of course, we are capo 2, sounding the key of A, but playing out of G position. And yep, the first 4 bars, or the whole first A part here for the first arrangement, sounds like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, down picks on down beats and up picks on up beats. And we have some hammer-ons and pull-offs in this arrangement and the rest of them. And those hammer-ons and pull-offs take the place of a pick direction, okay? And so you might find yourself with some double ups or some double downs. So you really want to watch that right hand. It is crucial for playing cleanly and up to speed. So the first measure there, all on the G string. So open, and then 4, and then 2/4 hammer, and then an open G. That's a quarter note in there, so 1 and 2 and 3. And then I go on, open G, 2 on the G. Okay, and then I'm going to hammer to the downbeat of the next measure. Now, if this is troublesome, I'll go through it here a little bit more, but if it's troublesome, you can always take those pick directions out. Take the hammer-ons or pull-offs out and put the correct pick direction in, okay? So you could just down pick here, but I am hammering on, and it does give it a little bit different feel, right? Adds a little more expressiveness to it. But yes, you can take those hammer-ons, pull-offs out, and you can put a pick direction in if it makes it easier. I'm gonna hammer here to 4, and then open G, 2, 4, 2, open, and then D string, 2/0 pull on the D. And really have a nice emphasis on the downbeat there in measure 2. Again, if you take those hammer-ons, pull-offs out, and you can pick everything. Works as well. Going on here, measure 3, finishing it up. Open G, 4, 2/4 hammer, and then open G, G, 2 on the D, measure 4, 1 and 2 and then hit that open D one more time and hammer 2nd fret, open G. 1 and you can mix and mingle the A parts all you'd like, but to just learn the tune and to get through it, I guess, you simply can do the first 4 bars and then repeat those second 4 for the A. Now let's move on to measures 5 through 8, and this is the B part here. Again, still only 4 bars long. that as well. You see the repeat sign there in measure 8. Again, repeat measures 5 through 8 for the complete B part. So measure 5, open G, 2 on the G, open B, 1, 3 on the B. It's a quarter note there, snuck in there, so 1 and 2 and 3. And 2 eighth notes there. Going on the next measure, B string 3rd fret again, open E, back to 3 on the B, 1, open B. Okay, and then 0, 1. Then measure 7 kind of acts like this folding scale in a way. 3 on the B, open E, back to 3, 1, open B, 3, 1, open, measure 8, 2, 0 pull on the D, on the G string, 4 on the D, back to 2 on the G, and open G. And I'm just going to do a little strum on the G chord, or you could just play that open G, 2 more eighth notes, or kind of strum the chord. Either way, I want to kind of keep that right hand motion, that down up picking going, so you know, then repeat, whatever that keeps that right hand moving up and down. All right, so 5 through 8, one more time. So ready, go. All right, so that's the tune right there, right? It's technically 8 bars long. I'm gonna play this first arrangement in its fullness. I won't take the repeat, so I'm just gonna go A part, B part, or first 4 measures, second 4 measures. So just to give you a sense of how it all comes together a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next measures. Okay, cool. So if you want to download the tabs, the multi-speed backing tracks, access the second and third arrangements, click the link in the description below, and we'll move on when you're ready. Thanks for watching.